Every climber usually knows where an attempt ends, but not where it first started going wrong. Sensei turns one phone video into a game review and identifies the earliest evidence-backed moment that's worth actually changing. We can see the actual hero that also was made using ChatGPT 5.6 Soul, which was really useful to get those effects. But let's see what we can do with it. Okay, so let's try the sample review that we have already seen. Now, here's the actual video with the computer vision and everything analyzing the post, and also the center of gravity of the subject. Here we can see where it identifies every hold and every mistake that's actually being made, and we can actually jump to the key moment. So this model can tell us a lot of insights, and also it can tell us the specific hold that we've actually encountered that made us lose the send. So right hand establishes on long H3 and left hand remains on long H1. And here we can see the active contacts and also the flags. So we can see the phase duration, the hip displacement, and when everything almost went wrong. So we can see the 8 frames behind the engine call that we give every frame to the AI agent so we can analyze it better, and we also feed it JSON data. So here we can see every metric, and also we get like a little review of it.
Pose landmarks, motion changes, and candidate contacts become deterministic measurements: timing, hip travel, joint angles, torso lean, support span, and projected balance. Sensei can also build a plausible two-dimensional path across confirmed holds. These are image plane signals, not force, wall depth, injury risk, or proof of why someone fell. When evidence is weak or occluded, the system qualifies its language or abstains. The result is a move-by-move game review. Sensei aligns the attempt with an optional successful reference, labels useful phases, and identifies the earliest defensible divergence, not merely the final fall. Every conclusion separates what was observed from what was inferred. The climber gets one cue, one drill, confidence, and a direct jump to the supporting frames. The goal is not more analytics. It is a better next attempt. GPT 5.6 Soul powers the grounded deep review. It receives a compact evidence contract containing known frame, phase, hold, and metric IDs. Structured output is validated so the model cannot cite evidence it was never given. This combines deterministic computer vision with frontier reasoning while keeping uncertainty explicit and recommendations inspectable. We built this working phone first prototype in less than 1 week with Codex, and GPT 5.6 Solution Codex helped us investigate the product, design the architecture, implement computer vision and the full web flow, write tests, debug integrations, tighten security, and move from idea to deployment at hackathon speed. For the devpost apps for your life category, Sensei turns every fall into your next move, phone first, evidence grounded, and built with Codex plus GPT 5.6.